Hey, good afternoon. This is Tom with Renters Warehouse. Today is December 29th. We're doing the move-in video today for Bob Smith. Hello, Bob. Today is 10 degrees outside, and we're doing a move-in on this 3-bedroom, 1-bath lower. And Bob and his wife will be moving in. And the purpose of today's video is to document the overall condition of the property and make sure all the mechanicals are working well. Bedroom 1. This is a recent remodel. Nobody has lived here since the remodel, so Bob will be the first occupants. This is bedroom number 2. Kitchen also has been remodeled. We've got new stainless appliances, new kitchen cabinets. Make sure all the plumbing is working. Make sure there's no leaks underneath. All looks good. We're going to go to bedroom number 3, which is the smallest bedroom. Everything has been freshly painted, so no obvious large marks in the walls or anything. Remodeled bathroom. Make sure all the plumbing is working. Okay, so drain lines for the sink and the tub appear to be working well. Make sure the toilet flushes. So we have also pointed out to Bob where the shutoffs are for the sink underneath here. And we've also pointed out that underneath the kitchen sink there are also shutoffs for the hot and the cold water right there. Looking for the basement. Okay, so since this is an older basement, this lease has a clause that states the tenants should refrain from storing things on the floor of the basement. Basements that are this old are notorious for eventually finding some water to get in. As of today, everything looks dry, although it is the middle of winter. Circuit breaker panel. We've pointed out to Bob this is the main circuit breaker. The rest of them are all on and functional. Hot water heater. Here's the main gas turnoff for the hot water heater. Here is the on-off switch, and then there are relighting instructions for the hot water heater on the furnace. Looks like a newer furnace. We've pointed out that the main reset switch is right here, on off. We've pointed out that the main gas line coming into the furnace has a gas shutoff switch right here. Make sure that is on, which it is. The main water shutoff for the entire building is located in the corner here. There is a T-handle to turn off the entire house. However, since this is a duplex, Bob needs to know that if he turns this off, he's going to turn off the water to his neighbor upstairs. The water meters are clearly marked 617 and 619, so if you need to turn water off to just one unit, then you will turn it off here accordingly. Overall, the basement looks like it has been cleaned up and repainted. Laundry hookup is near the slop sink over there. It looks like there's a dehumidifier running, which is a good idea to keep running year-round in Wisconsin due to the humidity. And the only other thing I did not point out yet from my checklist is the GFI switches. So we're going to show Bob that in this remodeled house, this is a GFI reset. The top is the button used to reset, so this acts like a circuit breaker. If that pops, you could potentially lose power in multiple other places of the house. So make sure that is reset if the circuit breaker in the basement is not doing the trick. Likely, yeah, there's another GFI here. Pointed out to Bob that anywhere there's a water source, there's many times a GFI type outlet. And after this, we're going to move to the outside of the property and make sure that the downspout extensions are on and check the condition of the garage.